In this video, we will learn how to separate data column wise in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some combined data with the heading name, category, subcategory and product ID. And I want to separate this data in different column. So first select the full data here. Then go to the data tab. In data tools, click on the text to column. When you click on the text to column, one dialog box is here open. Convert text to column. Okay. Then choose here the delimited. Then click on the next. Then select here the space. Here already selected. I show you. When I untick it, the data you show here, data preview is combined. When I tick on the space, here the see the data preview in different column. So just click on the next and click on the finish. That's it. Here you see your data is separated in different column. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.